Welcome to today's indicator review and market analysis. In this video, we'll dive deep into the performance of our custom indicator, reviewing how it worked across different market conditions and price levels. We'll also analyze the signals provided, key support and resistance zones, and price movements throughout the session. Let's start by analyzing the sell signal from yesterday, which was triggered near the 23,780 resistance zone. This sell signal perfectly aligned with the red shaded area, a strong resistance zone where selling pressure typically dominates. Following this signal, the market began a steady decline, validating the accuracy of the indicator in identifying reversals. This marked the start of bearish momentum that extended into today's trading session. Now, moving to today's market activity. The session began with a buy signal around 23,760 shortly after the market opened. However, this signal encountered resistance almost immediately as prices reached the upper resistance zone near 23,780. At this point, the market reversed sharply, and a sell signal was triggered around the same level. This sell signal was highly effective as it captured a significant decline in prices, with the market dropping to the 23,460 demand zone by 10 a.m. This sharp decline was the most significant bearish move of the day, highlighting the dominance of sellers in the morning session. As prices approached the 23,460 demand zone, the market found strong buying interest. A buy signal was triggered near this level at approximately 10:30 a.m., perfectly aligned with the green shaded support zone. This signal led to a strong rally, with prices recovering from 23,460 to 23,640 over the next few hours, delivering an impressive 180-point upward move. During this rally, the green moving average line began sloping upward, confirming bullish momentum and giving traders confidence in the buy signal. However, as the market approached the 23,680 resistance zone, marked by the red shaded area, buying momentum began to weaken. A sell signal was triggered near this level at 12:10 p.m., indicating the start of a consolidation phase. In the afternoon session, prices fluctuated between 23,580 and 23,680, forming a tight trading range. During this consolidation, the indicator provided a buy signal at 23,580 and a sell signal at 23,620, both of which resulted in small moves due to the lack of strong momentum. While these signals were accurate, they offered limited profit opportunities, highlighting the importance of managing expectations during range-bound market conditions. Later in the day, the market broke out of the consolidation range with a final rally that took prices to 23,709, the day's high. At this level, another sell signal was triggered, perfectly aligning with the resistance zone. This signal effectively captured the end of the upward move as the market began to pull back once again. This series of signals showcases the indicator's ability to identify reversal points consistently across different market phases. Let's summarize the key support and resistance levels from today. The green shaded demand zone near 23,460 acted as a strong support area, where buyers consistently stepped in to push prices higher. Conversely, the red shaded resistance zones at 23,680 and 23,780 capped upward momentum, creating reliable reversal opportunities for sellers. These levels were critical in validating the indicator's buy and sell signals, making them essential tools for traders. In terms of the moving averages, the green line provided clear confirmation of bullish momentum during the rally phases, while the red line effectively highlighted bearish momentum during the declines. These moving averages served as excellent visual tools for trend confirmation and enhanced the reliability of the signals. To conclude, the indicator performed exceptionally well throughout the session. The sell signal from yesterday accurately captured the bearish reversal near resistance, while today's buy signal at 23,460 and sell signals at 23,680 and 23,709 delivered highly profitable opportunities. Thank you for watching this detailed indicator review. If you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more trading insights and reviews. I'll see you in the next video.